person want to know how much or how can an app help their business. One way that an app can help your business is by push notification. So let's assume you got 1,000 people to download your app, right? And let's say you're in landscaping and you want to promote a special. So the second you come up with your coupon or your campaign or your commercial or whatever that you do, then 1,000 people instantly know the second you send out the notification. So just like on Facebook, when you get your phone and you see that little number on the side, like 6 notifications or 22 notifications, I got one like 600 notifications. That's the same thing that your app will be telling your clients once they download it. So if you have a special for, I don't know, let's just say $50. $50 landscape special for the next 7 days, right? So what happens is you push it out. 1,000 people instantly know about your commercial or your advertisement or your coupon. Out of the 1,000 people who downloaded your app, let's assume 100 of them get it today, right? Your special. And let's say we're trying to get $100. This is to make it real simple. We're trying to get $100, all right? And 100 people decide to get your special. And let's say it's at $100. Then that means you have just made 10 grand today. So if you have a service where you're doing appointments, like nail salon, hair salon, you get your money up front. That's the power of an app. Get the money up front, then do the service. It's the American way. Next question.